नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज है रैपिड रिवीजन इन नर्सिंग का टॉपिक नंबर 21 पीडियाट्रिक नर्सिंग लाइनर, जिसमें आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं पीडियाट्रिक ग्रोथ डेवलपमेंट एंड इम्यूनाइजेशन एंड माइलस्टोन। तो आज हम करेंगे 51 लाइनर क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड सिंपल एक्सप्लेनेशन। तो एंड तक बने रहें। पहला क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द नॉर्मल बर्थ वेट ऑफ ए फुल टर्म न्यूबॉर्न? आंसर इज 2.5 से 3.5 kg. Full term baby usually weight between 2.5 to 3.5 kg. At weight less than 2.5 kg is considered low birth weight. When does a child usually double their weight? Around 4 to 6 months. Rapid growth occur in infancy. Doubling occur in the first 4 to 6 months. Triple the birth weight is achieved by which what age? Around 1 year. By 12 months, most infants triple their birth weight due to proper nutrition and growth. When does a child begin to sit without support? 6 to 8 months. Muscle strength and coordination allow independent sitting around this age. At what age does a child typically start crawling? At 7 to 10 months. Crawling depends developed after sitting as the child gain coordination and strength. Which vaccine is given at birth? BCG and OPV. BCG prevent tuberculosis, OPV protect against polio and is given at birth. What is the normal heart rate for a newborn? 120 to 160 beats per minute. Newborn have a faster heart rate due to smaller heart size and higher metabolic rate. What is the anterior fontanel closure time? 12 to 18 months. The soft spot at the front of the skull close as the brain grow and skull bone fuse. Which reflex disappear first in an infant? Mororeflex, a startle reflex. Present at birth, it disappeared by 3 to 4 months as the nervous system mature. What is the expected weight gain per month in the first 6 months? 120 to 200 gram per month. Steady weight gain ensure healthy growth in early infancy. What is the full form of DPT vaccine? Diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. Will protect children from these three serious diseases. Which vitamin deficiency cause rickets in children? Vitamin D deficiency leads to weak bone and deformity. What is the first milk produced by the mother called colostrum? Rich in antibodies and nutrients. It protects newborn from infection. What is the most common cause of death in under 5-year child? 5 children in India. Pneumonia. Respiratory infections are a major cause of child mortality. Which organ mature last in a fetus? Lung. Full lungs maturity occur at term, enabling effective breathing after birth. What is the normal respiratory rate of a 1-year-old child? 20 to 30 beats per breath per minute. Respiratory rate decrease from newborn to toddler as lung mature. What is the minimum interval between two doses of the same vaccine? Usually 4 weeks. Ensure adequate immune response and protection. When does a child begin to speak 2-3 word sentence? Around 2 years. Language skill developed with age and interaction. What is the normal head circumference at birth? 33 to 35 centimeter. Indicate normal brain growth and skull size. Which reflex is known as the startle's mororeflex? Infant throw arm and leg out when startled. Dissipate by 3 to 4 months. What is the normal temperature range for a newborn? 36.5 to 37.5 degrees centigrade. Newborn maintain body temperature with limited ability to regulate. Which vaccine is given to prevent tuberculosis? BCG. Administered at birth to prevent severe TB form. At what age does toilet training typically start? At 18 to 24 months. Children gain bladder control and understanding for training. When is measles vaccine given according to UIP? 9 to 12 months and 15 to 18 months. Two doses provide better immunity. What does the Apgar score assess? Appearance, pulse, grimace, activity, respiration. Quickly evaluate newborn's health after. What is the Apgar score given for a healthy newborn? 7 to 10. Higher score indicate good health. Below 7 may need intervention. When should we start weaning in children? Infant around 6 months. Complementary foods are introduced along with breastfeeding. Which chart is used to assess developmental milestone? Denver Developmental Screening Test (DDST) help track growth and development in children. At what age does a child begin to walk independently? 12 to 15 months. Walking develops after crawling, standing, and balance control. What is the full form of a BCG vaccine? Bacillus calmette-guerin. Protect against severe form of tuberculosis in children. Which milestone is achieved first? Sitting, crawling, or standing? Sitting, crawling, standing. Motor development progress in sequence. When does the posterior fontanel close? 2 to 3 months. The back soft spot close earlier than the anterior one. What is the age limit for administering rotavirus vaccine? 8 months. Early vaccination protect against severe diarrheal disease. Which teeth appear first in infant? Lower central incisor. Usually erupt around 6 to 10 months. At what age does the first molar erupt? 12 to 15 months. Help child chew solid food. What is the calorie requirement of a 1-year-old child per kg per day? 100 kilocalorie per kg per day. Ensure energy for growth and daily activity. When is vitamin A supplementation started in children in India? 9 months onward. Help prevent blindness and support immunity. What is the route of administration for IPV vaccine? Intramuscular or subcutaneous. Inactivated polio vaccine is given via injection for better immunity. Which childhood disease prevent with Koplik spot? Measles. Small white spot inside the mouth are a characteristic sign. What is the treatment of choice for dehydration in children? Oral rehydration solution or replace lost fluid and electrolytes safely. When does social smile appear? 6 to 8 weeks. Early emotional response to caregivers intervention. At what age does a child wave goodbye? 9 to 12 months. Demonstrate social and motor development. What is the usual age for complete immunization under UIP? 12 to 18 months. All basic vaccines are completed during this period. What is the average length of a newborn? 15 centimeter, 50 centimeter. Average length indicate normal growth at birth. At what age does a baby start cooing? 6 to 8 weeks. Early vocalization mark language development. Which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? MMR, measles, mumps, rubella. Live vaccine can harm the fetus. What is the first sign of puberty in girl? Breast budding, hierarchy, indicate hormonal changes and onset of puberty. What is the age of eruption of permanent teeth? 6 year onward. First permanent teeth are usually first molar and lower central incision. What is the major cause of iron deficiency anemia in infant? Lower dietary iron. Insufficient iron intake leads to anemia and delayed growth. What is the most common nutritional disorder in children? Protein energy malnutrition, caused by inadequate intake of protein and calorie, common in developing countries. Thank you.